Hello everyone, this is Jyoti Mishra from My Clothing Treasure, and today I have the most popular contemporary design Sambalpuri Bandha sari from Odisha Handloom. And this particular sari is also famously known as the Lotus Parrot sari for obvious reasons. As you can see, it has only two dominant motifs all over the sari, the parrot and the lotus. As you can see, the entire sari has a jal pattern made with two sets of parrots. You can see it's a very unique design which was very new to Odisha Ikat few years back. This design was originally conceptualized by Anupriya Mridha. She's a textile designer, and she was the one to make this lotus parrot for the first time. But her design was so popular among the masses, it gained so much popularity, and the demand was so high that weavers started doing it on their own with a little variation added to eat it, with each batch. You can see the design has been changing a bit with time, and it is still as popular among the masses because this is not the traditional Sambalpuri sari. You can say the traditional Sambalpuri saris, earlier the weavers had a set pattern and the set designs, like you will see the same saris getting repeatedly made, which is also important to, it's important to preserve our culture. So while we must appreciate their effort to make it possible, we should also appreciate the fact that they are adapting to the need of the hour and to the demand of today's generation, and making such contemporary art on ikat. So I have tried to explain a bit about how the tie and dye thing gets done in Odisha, and I hope you get an idea. You have got an idea, because then you will be able to appreciate the effort behind this design too. You can see this design has to be tied in so many places and dyed to different color. The small areas need to be dyed in a different color, so that effort you must appreciate. And that being said, I must now focus on the sari we have here. This sari has a coffee base. You can see it's a deep coffee base. That's the exact color. It's not black and it's not really maroon. And look at the detailing. Look at that detailing. I can imagine how much effort one needs to actually first make the draft on paper and then translate it on a fabric using tie and dye technique. Really, really, really appreciable. And the border, as you can see, is a plain red border. These lotus parrot saris are also available in your Khandua border and Rudraksha border. This one I have is a plain red border, and the fabric is mercerized cotton, 100% pure cotton, mercerized. I'll show you. It's not very thick, it's comfortable, and it also has a blouse piece that is a deep maroon. Yeah, that's the blouse piece. It will have a little bit of contrast. It matches the lotus actually. Nice design, I would say. And now coming to the pallu. The pallu is also not the typical pallu you see in Odisha Ikat. It has, they have tried to put some, you know, add some fun to it by having ducks. You can see ducks, and then this jhoti pattern. It's a beautiful sari with the age old art of ikat mixed with the contemporary design, and the combination has worked really well. I also have more sarees. I will come back with more. Till then, bye.